Hello students, welcome back to our channel Learn from Born Teachers. Today we'll be discussing one important part in this chapter, states of matter, that is kinetic theory of gases. Moving to the postulates of kinetic theory of gases, there are 7 important postulates for this theory. First one is all gases are made up of minute particles of same size and mass called molecules. Second postulate, volume of molecules is very less than volume of the container. Consider you are having a big container, in that you are having some molecules in it. When you compare the size of each molecule with the volume of the container, the volume of molecules can be neglected. This is what the second postulate of kinetic theory. Next one, gas molecules are in constant rapid motion in straight line, during which they collide with each other and with the walls of the container. Gas molecules are in a random motion. In that motion they are colliding with each other, as well as they will be colliding with the walls of the container. This collision is perfectly elastic. That means there will be no net loss or gain of energy during this collision. Fifth postulate is the pressure of a gas. The pressure produced in a gas is due to this collision of molecules with the walls of the container. Next postulates, there is no force of attraction or repulsion between gas molecules. The kinetic theory is saying that there is no force of attraction or repulsion between gas molecules. And the last postulate they are telling is the average kinetic energy of gas molecule is directly proportional to absolute temperature. That means kinetic energy of gas molecules depends only on temperature. If temperature varies, kinetic energy varies. If temperature is constant, kinetic energy is also constant. Okay, these are the 7 postulates of kinetic theory of gases. We'll be moving to the kinetic gas equation. The equation is PV is equal to 1 by 3 Nm Vrms square. What is Vrms? Vrms is root mean square speed or velocity, we can say. N represent the total number of molecules. M represent the mass of one molecule. Kinetic energy of gas can be derived like this: half m v1 square plus half m v2 square plus it will go like that plus half m vn square. Here v1, v2, v3 are the speed of individual molecule. We know if you take out the common factors, we can write it as half m into v1 square plus v2 square plus vn square. Root mean square speed, as we said, it is Vrms square is equal to v1 square plus v2 square plus vn square by n. Average kinetic energy of gas. The equation for average kinetic energy of gas is half mnv square. By rearranging the equation, we can able to find out the equation for average kinetic energy of a gas, that is equal to 3 by 2 PV or 3 by 2 nRT. This is one of the important equation for kinetic energy of gas molecule. If they ask you kinetic energy per mole of a gas, that means what is the kinetic energy of 1 mole of a gas? N is the number of moles, so N will be equal to 1. So kinetic energy per mole will be equal to 3 by 2 RT. Now we are going to find out the average kinetic energy per molecule of a gas. It is equal to 3 by 2 RT by Na. What is Na? Na is Avogadro number. What is Avogadro number? It is the number of molecules present in 1 mole of a gas. That will be having the number 6.022 into 10 power 23. So 1 mole contain Avogadro number of molecules. We need average kinetic energy per molecule. So what we have to do is we have to divide the above 3 by 2 RT equation by Avogadro number. So we will be getting the average kinetic energy per molecule of a gas, 3 by 2 RT by Na. That we can write it as 3 by 2 R by Na into T. And the R, we know R is a gas constant, universal gas constant. The value is 8.314 joule per Kelvin mole. Na is the Avogadro number, that is 6.022 into 10 power 23. We know the values. So we will be substituting the values, and by solving this we will be getting the equation average kinetic energy of a molecule is equal to 3 by 2 kBT. Kb is another constant. We will be calling it as Boltzmann constant. The value of Boltzmann constant is 1.38 into 10 power minus 23 joule per Kelvin mole. You got the equation. So, average kinetic energy per molecule is equal to 3 by 2 kBT. What is Kb? Kb is a constant, that is equal to R by Na. So, this is all the things about the kinetic gas theory as well as the kinetic energy equation. In the next video, we'll be discussing about most probable velocity, average velocity, etc. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe and share maximum with your friends.